Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Instagram and Look Fab. So I'm gonna do a capsule wardrobe series here, which means one outfit in different manners. So for example, this saree in different manners I'm gonna show you that is really relatable. Can be worn for events to casual wears to your office wear. Anything you can try on like a experiment way. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
As you can see, I have wore this indigo sari to give a different looks. You can choose whichever sari which can suit or match the look which I'm mentioning here. There is no particular material or sari that you have to stick to or so. For the first look, I have taken a matching dupatta which is really going well with my sari. Even you can choose a double shade sari combination or a color block combination dupatta which will help to get the look which I'm gonna show you soon. Try to adjust the length of the dupatta equally in back and front side. Once done, you can secure it with the safety pin. Now, let's add the belt. Make sure we are only tucking the front side part of the dupatta, leaving off the back side part of the dupatta and pallu part. Now, let's adjust the uneven part on the pleats. Here I am with the contemporary finish. So I would say this kind of look has to be encouraged to be executed more often as it grabs attention for any function instantly. For my second look, I have a white spaghetti top here, and this kind of tops are very common. You might have something similar also, I'm sure, in your wardrobe. And now I have taken the pallu on hand, adjusting the middle pleats correctly, making sure the pallu pleats to be aligned as well, and check the length of the pallu you want to keep on your shoulder and then secure it with a safety pin. Yeah, I have taken the sari pallu in the unusual way. This style is more like a Bengali draping style. The cowl style in the middle part of the pleat is giving the catch. Look how beautiful the drape just got the simple sari into a fusion style, right? Third look, I have here the chikankari kurti. I love this beautiful kurti. I'm sure you might have such kind of kurtis. If not, please have one because these kind of kurtis are a versatile one. And now I have taken the pleated pallu on my hand. You might need to take a few pleats out from the middle pleats as we require a bit length more than the usual. And now slowly I'm gonna place the pallu over my neck like how you put the shawl. You can try to keep the pleats neatly by the help of your mirror. I don't have a one, so I'm trying to do with an assumption though. Now take a belt which goes contrast to your sari. I have taken a brown color belt and now place it on your waist and adjust the pleats. So that's it, I'm ready. So this is definitely a kitty party to cocktail party that you should definitely try on. Let me know how do you find this style. Next look is my favorite one. I've got a crop top come blouse which I'm gonna style it like a retro style. I got this top from Goa from a street shopping, I suppose. And when I saw it, I already had a couple of ideas in my mind that how I have to style with this. As you can see, I have wore the blouse and I've got the pallu on my hand by adding a knot. Now I'm gonna keep it on my shoulder. As the way we place the pleated pallu. Keep the knot over the shoulder, it will not fall off, but you can secure it with a pin. And adjust the front pleat and the side of the sari. I'm ready with my retro look. For me, every time when I wear a sari, I feel it is giving me the power suit wala vibe. For the last look, guys, I've got this white shirt. But let me tell you, you don't have to stick to a white shirt or a plain shirt. If you have something printed shirt that goes really well with your sari, please try on because that also gives a style mode of print and print mode. Here, I'm ready with my white shirt and the pleated pallu on my hand. Just make sure that you fold the sleeve till elbow and collar has to go inside the shirt and keep the shirt out as we are not tucking the sides inside the petticoat. After all those adjustment, I'm gonna place the pallu on shoulder. The length is going to be little shorter, but that's fine for this kind of look. It's okay. But in case if you want to extend it, you can do that. This is going to be my office event wear once my office starts. That was my thought on sari styling with one sari in different ways. Let me know which was your favorite one in this. If you are following me in Instagram, please do tag me when you are styling like this. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please smash that like and subscribe button. If you like to see some more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. And now, bye for now.